Mainly just shoulder press with dumbbells and on the machine.
Okay.
And
So you're
lateral
combining
raises.
it. That's good.
Mm-hmm.
Those can very easily become trap-dominated exercises unless you consciously keep the shoulder depressed while you're doing it. Keep the shoulder low. If you can do that, that's going to ensure you're using the deltoids more so rather than the traps, because the deltoids, they don't bring the shoulder up, okay, or they don't hike the scap. They move the actual humeral head or the arm around the shoulder.